Alrighty guys, welcome your faces back to another week of trading. This week was the week of the 24th through the 26th. This was a short week because today is actually Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving if you're watching this either on Thanksgiving or a day afterwards. Hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving and spent it with some family. This is paper. Remember guys, this is paper playing. So this is fake money, but this is just me practicing and honing in on the skill. In the last week's video, we was going to be switching over to TradingView. So we only made one options trade on Thinkorswim, and that was on the 24th, which is Monday. We got into our play at 9:30. We got our play at around 1:04. So we actually held this play for around 3 hours. So not a bad play. We got into two Delta Airlines $61 calls. We got in at 136 and we sold at 165. So we basically got, I think it was $58. Now this was the only play that I played on TD Ameritrade this week, but the 24th, as you guys can see, we took two calls. We was pushing for this 61 area and we had a $61 call, well 61 calls. We got in around 9:30, which was right at market open. 9:30 is right here. So we got in right here on this indecision candle, and then this next candle that pushed up basically got us above moving average, and then we just traded above moving average for the rest of the day, bringing us $58 on profit. I told you guys I was going to do this. I did reset my account on TradingView. So my paper account did get started at 1,400 and we actually made $185 this week. Now we'll be showing you guys the balance history. It's going to be the same like it was on TD. As you can see here, 11.25 at 10:36. I got out of this call and it was $63 gains. And this one here, I got back in 20 minutes later and secured another $42 of gains, and that gave me $105 for that day on the 25th. On the 26th at 10 a.m., I got out of the my second call that I made here. I made another $80. So we made $185 total on TradingView, and then we made another $58 on TD Ameritrade, and that brought us to 200. You might as well just round it up, $245 on a win this week. A little bit less than what I was actually looking for, but it is okay. You know, $250 a week is good since I still work a 9 to 5. So let's go ahead and go over some of these trades that I took. What I really want to show is this here, which is the options contract chart basically. So on that last play that I made on the 26th, I got in here and then I got out here. As you can see, I missed a lot of money. I left a lot of money on the table, but it is okay. And this was the play we was actually getting into. As you can see on the left side, this is the 15-minute. And if I just hover over this, you can see this is the candle I got in. And if I hover over this, you can see this is the candle that I got out of. If I click on this, it's going to say I bought it at 170. Then I got out at 250. So that was the second play that I played, which was actually just yesterday. As you can see here, we actually have two different plays, and this was the day that I made $64, well $62, and then $43 to make $105. I got in here at 318. I got out here at 381. I got into another one at 408, and then I got out at 450. So this is the option chart basically. So this is basically how the option is moving compared to the actual stock. So if I hover over where I got in, you should see exactly where I got in here on the 15-minute, which is honestly a perfect entry. You can see it right here. We had some consolidation. I got in right there. We pushed up to the top. I got out at this candle, which I don't really know why. I could have actually held my first play and just added in, and then possibly got out when we hit the top here. Like I say, guys, I still be working a 9 to 5, so I can't actually sit on here and actually watch every single move and every price action move. Now, on the 26th, since I only executed one trade instead of two trades, I was actually able to watch that because we was off the day before Thanksgiving. So basically, I was able to watch that, made a little bit more money off of one play, and I was satisfied for the day. Now, we'll be possibly resetting my account balance to go ahead and add in the $58 that I made over on TD Ameritrade, just so the account balance will actually be reflecting all of the new plays from this last week. Anyways, that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Thanksgiving and have a wonderful week next week in the markets, because we're going to continuously make videos. So if we lose, I'm going to be bringing you guys a video. If I win, of course, I'm definitely going to be giving you guys a video. Anyways, it's me, your boy Christian. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
I just be chasing the bag, buying shit I never had. What else? Ride around with 40 mag. Okay. Ooh, like Jimmy, I got a blast. Roll up the blunt, don't pass.